I'm packing my things to prepare for the summer. Moved into the back house of my landlord's mother. You came on the first night to see what you're missing. Hung out with my roommate, told jokes in the kitchen, and crashed on a newly made bed. We messed up the sheets, and you got in my head. So I drew on the walls with a crayon, like a kid who can't understand how bad he wants it. The drip in the faucet, I'm not getting back my security deposit. Hope that I'll see you again. I might not though. I could take the Amtrak out to Chicago. I'll walk you home and the sun's always beating. And you tried to kiss me but my nose is bleeding. It drips right down your chin, and your shirt sticks to your skin. So I drew on the walls with a crayon, like a kid who can't understand how bad he wants it. The drip in the faucet, I'm not getting back my security deposit. I'm exhausted, but I'm never going to sleep. Not while you're with me. So I drew on the walls with a crayon, like a kid who can't understand how bad he wants it. The drip in the faucet, I'm not getting back my security deposit. Nobody knows a thing. Everyone disagrees. Tired of pretending. Don't know what to believe. All I know I'm better when I'm with you and I'm not alone. Better when I'm with you, 'cause you feel like home. Better when I'm with you, yeah, that's what I know. That's all I know, all I know. Everyone picks a side. It's all a big lie, and I'm just too tired. All I know is I'm better when I'm with you and I'm not alone. Better when I'm with you, 'cause you feel like home. Better when I'm with you, yeah, that's what I know. That's all I know. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? I'm sleeping on your bedroom floor. I'll let my feelings wash ashore. You told me I'm projecting and I don't move with much direction anymore. I don't know what I'm looking for. I can't believe I care. Soon I wanna pinky swear. I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? So I get up and I get dressed, playing Pokemon on my old 3DS. There's a title card that says you gotta be the very best. And now I'm getting existential with my digital pets. I can't believe I care, but what a weird state of affairs. I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? Do I go back to the What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? Do I go back to the start?